In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail look like Outlook. If you've ever wished for Gmail to have that familiar Outlook split screen layout, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a simple set of steps to transform your Gmail into a more Outlook-like experience, making it easier to manage your emails with a more efficient workflow. Let's get started by opening Gmail. Once it's loaded, you want to guide your eyes over to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which is where all the settings magic happens. Clicking on that gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu, and what we're looking for in that menu is the option labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to a new page filled with various settings options. Now in this settings menu, you want to direct yourself to the Inbox tab. This is where you can customize how your email list and previews are displayed. As you scroll through the options available, keep an eye out for the Reading pane section. This is the setting we're going to adjust to get that Outlook-esque view. Here you have two main choices. You can select Right of Inbox, which will provide you with an Outlook-style side-by-side preview. This option positions your email list on the left side and opens the email content to the right, much like Outlook's layout. Alternatively, you can opt for Below Inbox, for a horizontal preview layout. This gives you the look of having your emails on top and the content appearing right below, which might feel familiar if you're used to a more traditional view. Once you've chosen your preferred setting, the next important step is to click on Save Changes. Always remember to do this, as it ensures that the adjustments you've made are applied. If you forget, you might find yourself back where you started, and we certainly don't want that. After you've successfully enabled the new Reading pane layout, you'll be taken back to your inbox. Now to make sure everything is set up for easy viewing, locate the Toggle Split Pane Mode icon, which is also situated in the top right corner, near where we began our journey with the gear icon. By clicking this icon, you'll activate the Split Pane Mode. This is the final touch that makes your Gmail inbox mimic the Outlook style. And there you have it. With these few quick tweaks, your Gmail should now look and function much more like Outlook, offering you a familiar layout that can make navigating your emails a breeze. By following these steps, you've optimized your Gmail interface for better efficiency and organization. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.